Hello again, class 4. I hope you are all doing well. So please open your grammar books and move to page 68. Here we have this subject on unit 14, and the subject is the past continuous. Okay, the past continuous tense. So let's see how can we use this tense. The past continuous is used to describe actions that began in the past and often continued for a short period of time after the action started. Let me read it again. It's used to describe actions that began in the past and often continued for a short period of time after the action started. قولي من ما بس تيجي إما past continuous بكارينين چون بهمان شو present continuous معناها بو past continuous بكار إهينين بو أوي باز لأكشنيك بكين كسرتاي رودانكي لرابردوا بوا happened in the past time باشا بلام بردامه واته continuous واته بردامه continue بكراوه بردامي بيدراوه چی هتاوكو short period of time كلا استا واته اكشنك سرتاي روداني ل كاتيكي رابردوا بلام حتى استا بماويكي كم كلا present time بردوامه باشا قولي من لو كاتاتي بكارينين past continuous tense بكارينين اوكي واتا اگر مانو باز لاكشنه بكين كسرتاي رودانكي بيشتر بو لا رابردوا بلام تا اسا اكشنك بماويكي كورد بماويكي كاتي لا present time بردوامه او كاتاتي بكارينين past continuous بكارينين اوكي لسكتي بكت هنيك بقالوزي باسي كردو بو من اللي راهاتوم ترى ديك بم ساده واسان كردوي باشا قولي من so the first form we have affirmative form. Okay, so now I wrote the structure for you. Structure كم بونسيوي with two examples. بهما شودون منشم بونسيو بوي practice لسركين. قولي من إما أجد معنى past continuous sentence دروس كين in the affirmative form بمشي وياه how subject إترقى subject تا ناوا ياخد subjective pronoun كان وكو he she it they we you باشا چی معناه we have verb to be in the past form verb to be in the present form ما زين إزو أو أما بلام verb to be in the past form we have was and were باشا أميش it depend on the pronouns لقى pronoun كان he she it and I you have to use it with a verb to be was they we you have to use them with were okay plus the main verb جاليرا was verb يعني auxiliary verb باشا plus the main verb the verb with ing okay the verb should be formed with ing واتا أبي ing لسر verb كبه باشا قولي من plus object okay so subject plus one and where plus verb ing plus object here I wrote these two examples the first examples I wrote she was walking to school she is the subject I put this verb to be because we have this pronoun she, so it will be she was. Walk is the main verb plus ing, okay? So it will be she was walking to school, it will be the object. The second one, they were making a cake. They is the plural pronoun and were is the verb to be because we have they, so at this time you have to use were. Make, بقولي من make خوي بقى equal هاتوا إمش أزعين لز أتكلني إنجي بس verb كان شو نهار verb بقى إيكو تاي هاتبو يكسر إياكا avoid كانوا إنجا إنجي كي ببلاس second so I will be making a cake so making is the main verb with ing and a cake it will be the object okay so this is about the affirmative form and what about the negative form okay it's very easy you have to put subject at the beginning then wasn't and weren't so it means you have to bring not and put it on the verb to be okay so it will be was it will be wasn't where it will be weren't okay plus verb ing plus object so تنها تشي جاوز affirmative form تنها نوتك ما كله يصير verb to be أكا so it will be I negate the same sentence she wasn't walking to school so she is the subject wasn't the verb to be in the negative form and walking is the main verb plus ing to school will be the object so they weren't making a cake. The affirmative sentence, they were making a cake, and the negative will be they weren't making a cake. Okay, they weren't making a cake. Now let's move to teach you the question form. So, dear students, here this is the structure of the question form. In the question form, you have to bring the verb to be and put it at the beginning of your sentence to ask your question. So you have to put was and where, then plus subject. After that, you have to add the verb with ing, then plus object, and don't forget to put the question mark because you asked a question. So the previous examples, they will be like this. Was she walking to school? The affirmative one was she was walking to school. So the question one will be was she walking to school? This is the verb to be, and this is the subject, the verb plus ing, and this is the object. So the second one, were they making a cake? They were making a cake. This is the affirmative one, and the question one will be were they making a cake? Were they making a cake? Okay. And if you want to answer the questions, if you want to answer positively, you have to say yes, she was. Okay. And for example, on this sentence, if you want to answer negatively, you have to say no, they weren't. In this way. So that's about the short answers. Okay. It's very easy. قولي من همان structure present continuous past continuous وقت ليك أجن تناتيان أقوله verb to be كان أقوله verb to be لا present time إزو أو أما بلان verb to be لا past time وسوى هيج تيكي تجازين يلا present continuous تنها إزو أو أمكا ببا وسوى. That's all. Okay. So dear students, if you go back to the grammar book, page 68, here we have this exercise. Please try to do it. And the exercise says complete the sentences use the verb in brackets and the present continuous. What does it mean that? قولي ما بس تيجي على use the verb in brackets and the present continuous. خلنا بابا كمان past continuous. بس أول verb كب present continuous جاري واتا verb كب plus ing كأوي ناو bracket كأوي ناو كأنا دواي ورا إما بابا كمان شيء past continuous. إما لرجع شيء sentence أكيد past continuous. إيش يصير verb to be كاكن أجزانين شو verb to be على past tense بكارنه وسوى أي وسوى جون دانين it depend on the subject ببي subject كا أجا subject كا singular بو was دان أجا subject كا plural بو جي دانين ودانين باشا قولي من لرا أجا سري نمونية كم كين look at the first example please. Judy was making dinner. So Judy is the subject, was is the verb to be because we have a singular person. يكس من هي كاتا was دانين verb to be verb كاكين ب present continuous واتا plus ing كين أي make ب equal تاعته يكر remove كين plus ing كين أوش object كين. Okay, this is the object. بلان نمونة دوام the second one Amy and Zoo. Amy and Zoo we have two persons. دو كس من هي كاتا أبي جب verb to be دانين و بلام يكشل لراوتي not what واتا أبي أم sentence negative به كواتا إمش أزاين شون affirmative sentence لا past continuous according to negative و not كأنه سوى سوى كلا بري لرو ومانه all be weren't. So Amy and Zoo weren't watching a film at the cinema. Watch will be watching. أقدر بتكا أقدر not هبو لقال verb now bracket كما بس هي أو sentence negative وشون يجي كمان negative لرجي was and was it will be wasn't where it will be weren't. In this way you have to change them to negative. Okay, that's about this exercise. If we move to the next page, which is page 69, here we have these two exercises. Exercise to this, sorry, look at the pictures, write a negative sentence and an affirmative sentence. Use the past continuous. قولي مليرا چن وينك يا these pictures وبهمان شيء sentence كي يا بلام ordering كردوه. ماشى قولي من تو خود sentence كا order كي. Okay, you have to order the sentence to write a negative sentence with an affirmative sentence. What a negative or affirmative. بلام بهمان شيء verb to be كي now pay attention. كاتو خو verb to be كي لقلا join كي it depend on the subject. The subject كا. The third exercise, look at exercise to write questions and short answers. واتيي سيري أم exercise كي دواء أوي كتاود كر أم جاران أم exercise إيش لسر تشيكي إيش لسر question form كي واتا أم وشانا order كي بلان بتشيف form question form وبهمان شيوا you have to answer the questions بسارة كان والله ميتوا it depends on the pictures ببي picture كان باشا قولي من so that's about past continuous, and then we have one more subject in this unit. Let's try to do or to study this subject as well. Okay, class 4, please move to page 70. Here we have this subject, dates and was born. قولي من أميش بهمان شوا بيونديه ب past time وباسي البرواري لدايك بوني كسر لكن إما كات أزاني كاتك كسر لدايك به يتد برواري لدايك بونك ب past time شتيك لرابر دوارو يدا باشا قولي من let's see how can we talk about dates and was born. Here we have this example. That's your mom when she was a baby. She was born on 6th of May, okay, 1978. The way we talk about dates when speaking is different from the way we write dates. What does mean that? الله أو كاتيك إما لكاتي قصة كردنا باسي برواري لدايق بوني كساكاكين جاوازا لكاتي نوسينا كاتون أي نوسين. How? We say the 6th of May, we write 6 May. الله لكاتي وتنا أمالين we say the 6th of May, we write 6 May. واتا لكاتي وتنا أبي إما أوفك كينا بيني موافقة لقل ديتك باشا قولي من بس أوي ألين on 6th of May, on 6th of January, on 6th of April, something like that. Okay. For a list of ordinal numbers, see page 79. أقدر تبتو ordinal number كان فربيتو first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth ومشيوه. Go to page 79. 79 chartك يا بيت لبه تبلك يا بيت باسي ordinal number كان بوكا. Use was born with I, he, she, it. على was born لقل أم pronoun أنا بكارين. لبري was معناه مش زين was لقل singular pronoun أنا بكارين. So I was born, she was born, it was born, he was born. Use were born with you, we, you, they. They were born, you were born, we were born. In this way. Grandpa was born on 12th of February 1952. The twins ما بس يقدوانا كي أودهم نالك بيكل دايكبن. The twins were born on 21st of April 1991. Okay? كاتي وتمان ألين on 21st of April. لكاتي وتنا بلي off نجاناوي موثقة بلي بلام لكاتي نسونا بيويس ناكا بنسي off April. باشا قولي من you have to pay attention about this point. It's really important. لبرو وتن لكاتي قساكرنا when you speak is different than when you write. باشا كاتي قساكي جاوزة لنسي. So after that, let's learn about these two prepositions. Here we have on and in. Grammatically, we call them prepositions. And let's see how you should use them. Okay? With dates and days of the week, use on. Let me make it simple for you. قولي من زور بسادي وبا أساني. What does mean that? Legal days of the week, what is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, you have to use on. On Sunday, on Monday, on Thursday, on Friday, on Saturday. For example, I went to school on Monday, on Tuesday, something like that. Bahama show legal dates. How? On 20th of March, on 7th of December 2010 or 2010, on Saturday, on 29th of September. بمشي باشا قولي من قالت لقل ديتي شبه ما شو on بكاريني. With years and month use in. وقت لقل صالو مانجا كانت بكارين in. In 1969, in May, in January, in February, in March, in May, in April, in June, in July, in October, in November, in 1969, in 1768, in 1322, something like that. Okay, قولي من وقت لقى صال لقى month you have to use in. أما بيرتيش February. Okay, it's just like a review. So that's about how you should use on and in. Okay, then if you come down here, we have this exercise. Circle the correct answer. You have to circle the correct answer or the correct option. Please try to do this exercise. It will be homework. On the next page, which is page 71, here we have 2 more exercises. This exercise says, look at the table. Okay, here it means this table. Complete the sentences used was born on and a date. Okay, قولي من واتشي بكار من سري أم table بكا was born on بكار بنقل أو date كلراد أماجي بيكردوا. To complete these spaces, or to do these spaces, or to fill these spaces with a correct answer. Okay, قولي من. Then look at Polly's calendar. Complete the sentences. بقى exercise يعني بوي حسنا كان زورا لكن بقى optional. Okay, it's optional. If you want to do it, you can do it. If you don't want to do it, please don't do it. Okay. واتا امان قولي من ام exercise يعني وايليكي واتا optional. بيت خوش ببيكا هذا نكرت ميكا. أجازانيت أساني لا. Don't do it. Don't care. Don't worry. Okay. باش أقول لك أني من. So in this way, we finished everything about Unit 14. So in the next video, we are going to study about Unit 15. So have a nice time and bye-bye.